Hello team, I'm going to show you the new change that we made to the Rocket Food app. I'm showing you the structure of the project, similar that we received on Monday, but with some change. The main change in the controller are, for example, here in the API controller, because we add here all the endpoints that we need for the function of the app. As you can see here, we have the most of the endpoint like API restaurants to create the restaurant, the structure or delete the restaurant. We get the restaurant before delete it and delete it and prepare a response using the response builder in this case. Restaurants ID, update the restaurant here. Now we are getting a restaurant by ID, this function. We can see it here using the response builder too. We have this get restaurants by rating and price range. We are validating the parameters here, sending the request, using the response builder to send the response. We have get products for restaurants. Here the response is manually not using the response builder. It's something that we can improve later. We are here inserting changing the order status here with this post, establishing new status for the orders and giving the response with the response builder. We have orders, obtain an order by user type and ID in this. And here we are creating a new order. It's longer, it takes more, and we are handling the errors here. This is the file that we have the most change, because we have here all my endpoints and all the work. It's way to say it is doing here. Another file have all the change that manage this endpoint is the restaurant service. Here we have the dependencies, and in the restaurant service we have all the queries, SQL queries for interact with the database. We have, let me check here. For example, here we have create restaurant. We are creating the restaurant here, setting the parameters, price range, and all. We have get restaurant with the query here, select from restaurant where ID, and this is the response. We are using a row mapper here for creating the response in this case. We have the update restaurant here using SQL queries, executing the query with parameters, getting here price range, font, ID, and we are handling the exception or the errors in this side. Here we have the delete restaurant. We have a logger here and the rest of we are deleting the restaurant, and of course the rest of the data that are referenced in the restaurant table, like address ID from restaurant, where ID, all the queries are here. It's really long because we have a lot of loggers here. We have here get product for restaurants, change order status here. This is the work for get order by user type and ID, really long with a lot of queries to fill all the data. We have a create order here. And finally, we have the get order by ID. This is not directly related with the endpoint, with the call, but it's internal use. We are using this one in the previous function to elaborate the proper response and send it to the endpoint. This is the file that have the more change here in the project, and we also have the response builder. We change a lot of things here for using these responses, and the application properties are here. The data seeder is comment. This is our the model. This file doesn't have a lot of change. We are trying to show these things working using Postman. For restaurant, we can create a restaurant. We insert the authorization in all this with the token, so we can pass to the wording. So we need to change something here, like the name, because we already have a lot of this name. For example, a new restaurant. We're changing the address. Okay. Montreal, not Montreal. We have it here, and we send the response. And now we are creating the new restaurant with the address, Van Harbor, no code, and the postal code. User ID, and press range, and message to see. We test the create restaurant here. That get the restaurant by rating and price range. And we got it here. We can change the price range, for example 3. And we still got it. This 3. Let me see copy. Okay, we have get API, get restaurant by ID. We can reach the 7. We have it. Hughes Inc. is the restaurant with ID 7. Rating 3, price range done. We can update one of these ones. For example, 7. 20. I don't remember if we have a 20. Yes, we have it because I created a lot of them. We can put different names again. We are checking the phone. Okay, we send the request, and we have it. We update the name of this restaurant with ID 20 to Fiesta Party. It's the Latino name. We can delete this that I recently create, the 20 here for test, and we delete it. Fiesta Party is deleted. No, so more, no, just 2 minutes open this new restaurant. Okay, we can get the products of the restaurant 3, for example. We got it. We try to change this one. The 7. We have the product ID of the product, name, and the cost. Let's check orders with the restaurant ID, for example 7. And we got all the data here, the customer email, restaurant name, address, courier name, status, all the products. Also we have 3 of the quantity of 600. We have 1800 as the total cost. We can change this and use also customers and couriers. We can insert an order, for example do the restaurant ID 4, customer 7, courier ID, change it to 4, and the order is, the product is 26, quantity 1. Okay, this is fine. We can insert this order and succeed. We have it. Customer name, courier name, restaurant name, and we insert a new order. And we can, yeah, that's all I think. I'm not sure that this is done. We are changing the status of the order. 10 status, okay. Okay, we can change it. I don't remember that. I already have that. Let me change here, like in progress, and change the status of this order. And we change it. Okay, let's change the status of the order. And this, I don't remember to use this order rating. Okay, that's all. All the endpoints are properly working. Finally, I want to show you that thing that we worked on. We have a test. We have created a lot of tests for all our endpoints. We have it here. Let's run. Just simply run it, the test, and see what's happening. We are running all the tests right now. It's taking some time. And we have it here. All the tests are like 18. I don't remember, like each endpoint have at least 2 tests. All the tests are passing. For change order status, we have 3, create order 2, delete, get our restaurant, get orders by ID 3, get products for restaurant, not found, succeed. We have all the tests passing. There is one test that wasn't passing, and I simply commented that we can work in this one the next week. Okay, thanks. We see you in the next week in the next model.